This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make muffins in Untitled Bakery. First, let's gather our dry ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. It's crucial to whisk these together really well in a large bowl. This ensures all the leavening agents are evenly distributed, which is key for perfectly risen muffins. Getting this step right sets the foundation for a delicious batch. Now let's prepare our wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 large egg, 1 cup of milk, and 1/3 cup of melted butter. Don't forget to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that wonderful aroma and taste. Once combined, gently pour this wet mixture into your dry ingredients. Mix until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough muffins, so stop as soon as no dry streaks remain. With your batter ready, it's time to prepare for baking. Line a 12-cup muffin tin with paper liners, or if you prefer, grease each cup thoroughly. Then, carefully spoon the batter into each cup, filling them about 2/3 full. This allows room for them to rise beautifully. Bake your muffins in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 18 to 20 minutes, or until golden brown. Once your muffins are baked to perfection, the aroma will be incredible. Let them cool in the muffin tin for about 5 minutes. This helps them set and makes them easier to remove without breaking. After 5 minutes, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. While it's tempting to eat them immediately, cooling allows the flavors to meld. Now, you can enjoy your warm, delicious Untitled Bakery muffins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.